Hi, fans.
We're at Legends in Whistler Creekside.
Let's go check it out!
Into the sunlight, we'll hide away all of our secrets, away for you in the darkness. There's no stopping us right now.
Hi, fans.
We're at WhistlerBlackcomb Mountain.
Let's go check it out!
Hi, fans.
Let the games begin.
Just book it!
If there is a warm cup of coffee, if there is a laugh to share, it's with you. In morning light, you hear my story. Oh, and it's good to have a friend like you. There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Life is up and it's down, oh, it's all love, that's how you remind me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. With summer barbecues to shake me, and midnight runs from red and blue lights. Wherever life seems to take me, oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Yeah. Life is up and it's down, oh, it's all love,
Just book it! Are you looking for ideas for things to do and places to go with your kids?
Subscribe today to the Wonder Family USA.
And just book it!
My heart should know, I tell it so, and that I give to no one else. But you and I, we've seen the light. For us it's all or nothing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Fly, fly away, a million miles away. Up through the sky we're sailing, and up through the clouds with no one else around. Just you and me will fly together. Fly beneath my wings, oh my heart it sings. For no one else, it's yours forever. And up through the clouds with no one else around. Just you and me will fly together. You pick me up, giving me the light. So when it's dark, I see the way into the night. You hold me near, won't let me fall. So lift me up again and never let me go.
One, two, three, four.
Fly, fly away, a million miles away. Up through the sky we're sailing, and up through the clouds with no one else around. Just you and me will fly together. Fly beneath my wings, oh my heart it sings. For no one else, it's yours forever. And up through the clouds with no one else around. Just you and me will fly together.
Just book it!
Just book it!
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, just book it!